friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning to one and all. I wish you a very happy Ugadi. May this new year brings with it a pot full of luck and joy for you and your family. Once again, I wish you a happy Ugadi. Children, India is home to many different cultural clusters and beliefs. The different festivals and observances that are celebrated throughout the year give the country and a colorful identity. Among them are the Ugadi and the Gudi Padwa festivals that are celebrated every year with a lot of heart and love. Ugadi is the New Year festival celebrated in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra, the states of India. Ugadi is the first day of New Year. As per weather, this day has a special because the spring season starts from this day. The day of Chitra Suddha Padhyami is celebrated as a new year by the Telugu people. Telugu people follows lunar and solar calendar combinedly. As per this calendar, the first month is Chaitra Masam. In this month, the first day is Padhyami, the crescent day. Telugu people believes that this is an auspicious time to venture into a new projects and decisions. Now let us study the meaning of Ugadi. Ugadi is also referred as Yugadi. Is a major festival that is celebrated in the southern states of Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. As per the Hindu calendar, it is celebrated as the beginning of a new year. The word Ugadi is the combination of two words. Yug means age and Adi means a new beginning. Thus, it is celebrated the beginning of a new age. On this day, people wear their best clothes and come out and greet other peoples. Prayers are offered and houses are cleaned so as to usher in novelty and prosperity. Families get creative on this day and drew rangolis in their homes. Other traditional floor decorations also include like flower petals and colored rice. Children, now let us discuss what is the importance of Ugadi. Ugadi is an important festival of Hindus with some medieval text and inscriptions recording major charitable donations to Hindu temples and community centers on this day. The word Yugadi, already we discussed, it is called as Yugadi or Ugadi, is derived from the Sanskrit word Yuga means age and Adi means beginning, which literally means the beginning of a new year. On the day of Ugadi, the traditional rituals begin with the oil bath followed by prayers. Oil bath and eating neem leaves are must rituals suggested by Hindu scriptures. People also draw colorful patterns on the floor called muggulu and put mango leaves decoration on the doors called torana. Buying and giving gifts such as new clothes, giving charity to the poor people, special bath followed by oil treatment, preparing and sharing a special food called pachadi and visiting Hindu temples are some of the common practices followed on this day. Preparations of Ugadi festivals begins a week ahead. Houses are given a through clean and are decorated with rangoli and fresh mango leaves. Mango leaves and coconut leaves are considered as auspicious in the Hindu tradition. Now let us discuss the Ugadi legends. According to popular age-old legend associated with the origin of Ugadi festival, it is believed that Lord Brahma began the creation of the universe on the Ugadi day. He then went on to create days, weeks, months and years in order to keep track of time. Hence Ugadi marks the first day of the creation of the universe. In Hindu scriptures, on the names of Lord Vishnu is Yugadikrit, which means the creator of yugas or ages. On the day of Ugadi, devotees worship Lord Vishnu and seek his blessings for a happy and prosperous life. Children, let us discuss the religious significance of Ugadi. It is believed that on this day, Lord Brahma had created the universe. He had also created the days, weeks, months, and years. Thus, the Ugadi is said to be the first day of the creation of the universe. Now, let us discuss the special dishes on the children. Now, let us discuss the special dish about Ugadi Pachadi. Another dish which is prepared on this occasion is Ugadi Pachadi. It includes 6 tastes which are Tipi, Karam, Pulupu, Vagara, Chedu and Uppu in Telugu language. It is prepared with an ingredients are neem flowers, jaggery, chili powder, raw mangoes, salt and tamarind. Children, now let us discuss about recitation of Panchangam. People traditionally gather to listen the recitation of the religious Panchangam of the new year and the general forecast of the year to come. This is called the Panchanga Sravanam, an informal social function where an elderly and respected person refers to the new almonds and makes a general benediction to all present. The advent of television has changed this routine, especially in the cities. Nowadays, people turn on the TV to watch broadcasts of Panchanga Sravanam recitations. Children, may this Ugadi brings you a joy, health, wealth and a good luck throughout the year. Once again, I wish you a happy Ugadi. Thank you.